Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden. Today we're going to talk about a topic that just came up on the Migardener's Facebook page today and talks about your vegetables are free. In a sense, the comments were pretty much lambasting him, that saying, no, it's not free, it's never free. And while I tend to somewhat agree with that, you can get vegetables for free. We're doing stuff in containers. So yes, we had to buy the container. We had to buy the soil. We have to buy the seeds. And we have to pay for water and fertilizer and some of the other things. But it all depends on how much you're spending for these items, as in how long your return on investment is. For ours, it's about 3 to 4 years. And I'll break that down here on the screen, showing you guys what we did and how eventually, yes, our tomatoes we will harvest will eventually be quote unquote free, because we've already built the infrastructure, we've got the soil, we get seeds. Seeds last us a couple years, they're just not 1 year and out, and even that is not the biggest expense. Our water bill has gone up just a touch, and that's watering our entire garden along with flowers and other things. So I think that's pretty negligible. So I'll break it down, but growing your own vegetables at home, whether in containers, in raised beds, in ground, can be very cost effective when you think about the time it takes for you to drive to the store, gas, wear and tear in your vehicle, extra time because you have to really pay yourself, and everything else that goes into going to a grocery store. Well, yes, it might not be free, quote unquote, in the long run. It's definitely a lot better than going to a store and getting some of the subpar fruits and vegetables that we can get that you don't know how old they are, how long they've been, where they come from, what they're sprayed with. At least with doing stuff in our own garden, we know what's going on. We know what kind of water I'm putting in. We know the fertilizer. I know the seeds. I know what pesticides we're using. Absolutely none. No fungicides, no spraying of anything. This is about as organic as you can get. I buy some dirt, get some good local compost, get some quality seeds, and the only thing I have to worry about is really what comes out of the tap, which is Northeast Ohio water, which is Lake Erie water, and that's cleaned by the Northeast Ohio Regional Sewer District and Water District. And we're all still alive here in Ohio, so I don't think our water is bad. But you can do gardening on the cheap. While it might not be free, it'll eventually be very cost effective and very rewarding. Also, check out Migardener's channel. He's got a lot of good information. Been doing it for years. Has some good quality seeds, and it's a pretty stand-up fellow. So don't give him too much slack. He's doing what he can, and I think his content is great, and what he does with his company is also awesome. Thank you for joining us today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this content, and have a great evening.